Hello everyone, welcome to Mathsfocus. How to solve for x in this equation, s raised to power s raised to power 5 is equal to 100. Solution. We have s raised to power 5 is equal to 100. Let's multiply the exponent of both sides by 5. That is s raised to power 5 to the power of 5 is equal to 100 to the power of 5. Note, a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. This is equal to a raised to power n m. Then s raised to power 5 to the power of s raised to power 5 is equal to 100 can be written as 10 square to the power of 5. Let s raised to power 5 is equal to t, and t raised to power t is equal to 10 square to the power of 5. T raised to power t is equal to 10 square can be written as 10 raised to power 2 times 5, that is 10. And if you look at this, the base is equal to 10 and the exponent is equal to 10. Therefore, t is equal to 10. But s raised to power 5 is equal to t, and s raised to power 5 is equal to 10. Now we are looking for the value of s. Let's multiply the power of both sides by 1 over 5. S raised to power 5 multiplied by 1 over 5 is equal to 10 multiplied by 1 over 5. This will cancel this. S is equal to 10 raised to power 1 over 5. And this can be written as s is equal to 5th root of 10. This is the final answer. If you enjoyed my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.